DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, fake leak? Or Insta360's secret weapon? Recently, a single leaked image shook the entire portable camera world. At first, everyone believed it was the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. But the deeper we look, the stranger it gets. Because what if that camera isn't a DJI at all? This suspicion was raised by tech analyst Igor Bogdanov, who made a side-by-side comparison that completely changed the narrative. He placed the leaked Osmo Pocket 4 Pro next to another mysterious prototype. And the differences are impossible to ignore. The most obvious detail? The lens layout. The leaked prototype features two lenses positioned horizontally, side by side. Compact, tight, symmetrical. But according to multiple reports, the real DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro is expected to have a larger optical module with vertically stacked lenses. That's a completely different design philosophy. And there's more. In the very first leak of this prototype, two nearly identical models appeared. Slight size differences. Same dual horizontal lens layout. That strongly suggests internal performance testing, possibly two versions of the same camera being evaluated. But here's the key detail. When DJI tests prototypes, they usually compare them against older DJI models from the same lineup. In these leaked images, they're being compared to other devices, none of which are DJI cameras. That's unusual, and it raises a serious question. What if this isn't the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro at all, but a new Insta360 prototype? Several specialized sites now believe that's exactly what we're looking at. A more compact optical assembly. Horizontal dual lenses. A design that feels more aligned with Insta360's imaging style. And if that's true, this isn't just a leak misunderstanding. It's the beginning of another battle. But here's where things get interesting. While the Pro version remains controversial and uncertified, there is another device much closer to launch, the standard Osmo Pocket 4. Its retail box has already leaked. And that's huge, because retail packaging leaks typically mean the product is finalized and preparing for store shelves. However, the specs disappointed many fans. Reports suggest it's mostly a minor refresh of the Pocket 3. Same overall design, incremental internal upgrades, nothing revolutionary, except for one very important improvement. For the first time in the Pocket lineup, DJI appears to be adding a dedicated physical zoom button. Right next to it, a customizable function button. And this isn't just cosmetic. One of the biggest complaints about the Pocket 3 was zoom control. It relied entirely on touchscreen gestures, which often led to accidental inputs mid-recording. That broke the filming flow. The new physical zoom control promises smoother, proportional zoom adjustments, something creators have been requesting for years. There's also evidence that the Pocket 4 has a slightly longer body. Why does that matter? Battery. Estimates suggest up to 20% more battery life compared to the Pocket 3. That alone could make it a practical upgrade for daily creators. But let's go back to the mysterious prototype. If this camera truly belongs to Insta360, then the rivalry with DJI just escalated again. This tension didn't start today. It intensified when DJI launched the Osmo 360, stepping directly into Insta360's territory. Then Insta360 fired back by entering DJI's airspace with its first drone, the anti-gravity A1. Now imagine this scenario. Insta360 developing a compact dual-lens pocket-style camera. DJI preparing both a standard Pocket 4 and a Pro variant. Two giants, crossing into each other's ecosystems. Camera, drone, 360. Action, Pocket. This isn't just competition anymore. It's strategic warfare, and honestly, the real winner in this battle will be us. Because when companies compete at this level, innovation accelerates. So now we wait. More leaks are coming. Certifications will appear, specs will surface, and when they do, we'll finally know whether this mysterious prototype was a misidentified DJI, or Insta360's next big move. What do you think? Is the leaked dual-lens camera really Insta360? Or are we underestimating DJI's next design shift? Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.